What if I told you you could solve lunch for the entire week in less time than it takes most people to cook one meal? I'm talking 5 minutes. And no, I'm not talking about sad little plastic containers with dry chicken and broccoli. I'm talking real meals, loaded potato meals, in glass containers. You can make any loaded potato meal, already portions for 5 servings, divide, and you are done. Watch this. By the way, I'm MJ, your grid down gourmet rebel, the I hate to cook master. And I'm turning pantry ingredients into real meals. So follow me and I'll make sure that you're never stressed about dinner ever again, even if the grid goes down. These are my go-to glass meal prep containers. These things make my life so easy. First off, you get them in a set of 5, and they are big. Not those tiny little snack portion sizes. These are real meal sizes, 36 ounces. So you can actually prep a full meal, not just little baby snacks that you think you're gonna eat healthy, but then you're starving afterwards. Full meal in these things. And let me show you how I use them, because this is where loaded potato really shines. I'll make one big batch meal. Taco bowls, cranberry chicken, jambalaya, really any meal will work. And instead of figuring out lunch every day, scoop them each into one of these containers, boom. Lunch is done for the next 5 days. No thinking, no stress, no night before panic. But here's why I love these specifically. They're made of real glass. Not that weird plastic that stains and smells and never feels clean again. You know what I'm talking about? You put spaghetti in it once and now you're permanently orange forever. These, no staining. I've been using these actually for years. No smells, super easy to clean, and they're strong. You can go from oven to fridge to microwave, all in the same container. So if you cook something fresh, you can literally store it right in this container. You can put it in hot if you want to. No extra dishes, which means less time cleaning and more time doing literally anything else. Let's talk about the lids, because this is where I feel like most containers fail. These have locking lids on all 4 sides that actually seal. And it's got the gasket that goes all the way around. So if you've had soup or sauce or anything, you know that you tip it sideways, it's gonna spill. But not these. They snap down and stay tight. Your food stays where it's supposed to. And they stack, organized and ready to go. Everything lines up nice and clean. Takes up less space, and you can actually see what you have in your container, which means you'll actually eat what's in here. And here's my favorite part. These make meal prep feel easy. Like meal prep is actually doable. Because it is. Let's be honest, most people don't meal prep because it feels like a whole event. Hours and hours of cooking, tons of dishes, portions, no thanks. But with this and loaded potato, you cook once, one pot, put it in your container, you're ready to go. Grid down gourmet. Loaded potato meals have got your back. You're not just preparing food, you're building a system. Meals that work on a normal Tuesday and when the power goes out. Meals are cheap, fast, and actually taste like something you would order at the restaurant. So now instead of stressing every night, you open your fridge and grab a container. Heat it up, lunch in minutes. No stress, no takeout, and no wasted food. No thinking, just real meals, easy, done in 5 minutes. If dinner or lunch has been ruining your life, this is one of the easiest upgrades you can make. Grab a set of these and start prepping your meals. And I promise, future you is going to be a very happy you. Link below for the best deals on these exact ones. Make sure you buy these exact ones. You don't want to get the small portion ones because you don't want them arriving in the mail and have them being small. And for what meals to put in there, go check out loadedpotato.org and I'll show you exactly what to make, how much to buy, and even build your grocery cart for you. So you never have to worry about lunch or dinner again. And I mean it. Till next time.